Hello everyone, my name is Paulo Pereira and today I'm going to give you a demonstration for my course how to upgrade the RAM on a laptop from 8GB to 32GB. Before we starting the process, here is some information on what materials you need to do a good job. Anti-static gloves are crucial for protecting sensitive electronics components. Anti-static mats also important to protecting electrostatic discharge during the assembly. The RAM for a laptop is called SODIMM, stands for a small outline dual inline memory model, and DIMM for the desktops. It stands for dual inline memory model, and the appropriate screw drive for the device, and here the device itself. Thank you. Before you start unscrewing, locate the screws. This laptop was 4 in the top and 3 further down.
If there's one thing I know for sure, it's that I know nothing.
Before we starting, disconnect the laptop battery and locate the correct wires. Just make sure you use a tool like this to help you to easily disconnect the wires. Slowly and carefully. Right now, just allocate where is the memory RAM. So I can see it is over here, and there is a plastic adhesive holding them in safe place. So very careful, just remove it, the adhesive. Next, carefully remove the old 8GB RAMs from the laptop. After remove them, begin to installing the new 32GB RAM components. Careful, make sure you put them in the right way. When you fitting, make sure it clicks both of them. Now you can close the chassis, but make sure you connected also the battery back. Now the RAM is installed. Let's turn the laptop first time. Straight away you can see it goes to boot system. So now let's check on the system if the computer recognizing the new RAM. Well, as you can see, it's 32 gigabytes over there, but let's go to check on BIOS. $32 GB. Let's see it close. RAM. Another way to find out more information about your RAM on the computer, speed and other information, just go to Task Manager and Performance, and the information is there. You can see the speed, the slots, form factor, the hardware reserved. All that information is over there for your RAM. Before we access to BIOS, make sure you turn off your computer. Just shut down. So turn it back. Immediately tap the escape, repetitive, then press the F10. Now you access to BIOS. You can see all the information there is updated with 32 gigabytes with the total memory. Everything is correct. Total memory 32 gigabytes. So now you can exit from BIOS.